Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We have a 180-degree box to unbox today, so let's get into it. Find out what's inside because it was awesome last month. Let's check it out. This box is sent to me for review, but since we review it on the channel, I have FabFitFun, which will get you 15% off your first box. That is what it looks like. It is a self-care box. You will get 7 to 8 products each month. You might get aromatherapy, lifestyle products, fitness products, healthy items, just things to help you take care of you. Last month was the first month that we did this, and it was such an absolutely fantastic box. You guys seem to like it a lot, so I'm really happy to be doing it again. That's what it looks like on the inside. I actually saved last month's box and I'm so glad to have another because I'm gonna have my grandkids next week, and the 2 youngest, I was thinking how fun for them to be able to color in all of these pretty flowers and then use the boxes just to chalk, you know, kids love to keep all their pictures and everything, whatever they want to put in here. I thought it would be a fantastic idea for that. I know, not the point of this box. Still a great use for it though. It says, hello Journeyer, 180-degree box. This is the August 23 box. Relax, refresh, and rejuvenate. Staycation. And that is what it looks like. The September box is Mood Palooza. That's fun. And on the inside, it tells us a little bit, or actually a good bit, about all of the products that were received. And the other side says how to enjoy the perfect staycation. Number 1. Relax and recharge. A staycation allows you to unwind without the stress of travel. That is true. Travel can be stressful. It's usually pretty fun, but the actual travel does add stress. And on top of all of the products that are chosen for the month, you will have a bonus product each month. First out, ooh, it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. We have Awapui Passion Smart Pods, the smart dosage system for perfect petties. Ooh, we're gonna read more about this. Last time I heard the word Awapui, Paul Mitchell used to have an Awapui shampoo and conditioner that I absolutely loved. I hope that does not date me too terribly much. Smart Pods Petty Set. Enjoy this perfectly portioned petty set that will be a relaxing delight. The Smart Spa fragrance gives you a kiss of Hawaiian Islands with its subtle floral notes and a pinch of sunny sweetness. It's fresh, fruity, and warm like a tropical beach. Oh, look! It's like Keurig pods, just to give you an idea of sizing. Actually, very, I would say almost the exact size, if not the exact size. So you have just what you need for a perfect petty. What a fun idea of just having exactly what you need. I was trying to smell it without opening it. I can't smell it. It's just 4 little petties, perfect, ready to go. That is cool. See, this is what you guys loved about this last month. Next out, we have Healthy Chicks Spark Your Bliss Deck. I don't know what that means. Life gets busy. Devoting time, space, and attention to ourselves daily is often overlooked. Fall head over heels with these feel-good vibes that these affirmation activity cards infuse into your daily routine. Shuffle for a swift mindset shift. Reflect over your morning tea or coffee, and you will feel refreshed, inspired, and motivated applying these pick-me-up cards in your daily routines. What we have is a deck of cards. They're really pretty, and they each say something different. And this one says mindfulness. There is no need to rush, seek, or force things to happen. All is good here and now in this very moment. Unplug for your lunch break and savor each bite. Take a trip to the farmer's market. Do a quick meditative body scan. Put your phone on airplane mode. So they're just different things that you can do to help for mindfulness. Let's pick a different one. Self-worth. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. And I know that I am so much more than a number on a scale, a title, or a judgment. This would be really nice to go through in the morning, like after you do your devotional, if you do devotionals, or with your tea or your coffee. And when you find the ones that really speak to you, you know, I always tell you guys, I love to journal. I love to write thoughts down along with all of the other things that I write in all of my books. Things that I want to remember, maybe to say to myself. This would be a really great way to do that. Not to mention, you could put the cards in your journal if you do journal junk. These are fun. Next out, we have a steamy, rose-scented, self-warming steam eye mask. And that sounds lovely. Assuming that I can use this, I do like the eye masks that get warm. It helps ease tension, encourage circulation, whilst the rose essence revives the mind. Elevate your staycation bedtime routine. These eye masks are suitable for all skin types and also have a mild, pleasant scent to surround you with relaxation. They are disposable, heated eye masks, and they act as a convenient solution to tired, stressed out eyes, and even offer anti-aging skincare benefits by reducing the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles. Well, that does sound fun. Next up, we have a Rachel Couture Eye Kit Trio. I have actually received, I don't think this exact trio, but the Rachel Couture in other boxes. I think my last kit was a lip kit. This is an eyebrow pencil, liquid eyeliner, and mascara. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave this closed because you guys know I do so much makeup on the channel. I'd love to be able to, one of my girls would probably love this, so I wanna be able to pass it along. And since it's eye things, I don't like to mess with the eye things that I'm gonna pass along. That is super cute though. Next out, and I see Earth Harbor. Ooh, we have the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Masks. That is what that looks like. I think this is the purple one. I can't use this, so I will pass this along too, but that's a me issue. This is the whole, I have, yes, the purple one. I have super duper sensitive skin, and you guys know I can't use this. But the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Mask is the star of your skincare staycation. With Mother Nature's best, this powerful gel mask naturally resurfaces, cools, and firms your skin. Used regularly for smooth texture, clear and even tone, and a more youthful glow without any irritation. For normals. That is true. This is a really nice product to get in the box. Next out we have, ooh, I think it might be a drink. Fun treat. Tionic Fresh Pop Chill Tart Cherry and Hibiscus Sparkling Wellness Soda. That is really interesting. Other than our Universal Yums, we don't often get drinks in boxes. That's fun. It says Tea Tonic Wellness Drink. Cool and enjoy, so I've got to chill it. This fresh pop is packed with the perfect combination of delicious plant-powered ingredients and a refreshing sparkling pop. With no added sugars or sweeteners, that's fantastic. Loads of functional goodness and no junk, this is a true better for your wellness soda. Enjoy with your scones or while reading and chilling out. Interesting, they would suggest it as a breakfast drink. So the whole thing is only 25 calories. It's carbonated water, organic tart cherry juice concentrate, organic hibiscus flower, organic holy basil leaf, and non-GMO citric acid. Fun, right? Next out, and this is one of those never-ending boxes, we have the Mitchell and Peach English Growers Body Souffle. I have actually had the Mitchell and Peach before. I think in BoxyCharm, it was something that we could add on, and I did, and it was lovely. You know what? It might have been FabFitFun. Slather this luxurious body souffle for a truly indulgent self-care staycation experience. The icing on the cake is a light and airy whipped texture, making the application feel like a sweet escape. I think part of what I liked about this one so much was the very natural scent that it had. Earthy is always weird because when I say earthy, I generally mean like herbal, maybe a little mossy. This is a little grassier. This is more floral than the one I had before. That is nice. I like that a lot. It just gave my hand a nice smooth feel. It completely absorbed. That's my favorite thing in a hand cream. Probably for me, even more important than the scent. I mean, unless the scent is horrific, I love it when a hand cream absorbs nicely. Ooh, Lily, oh, here's the scones. I thought it was odd when we talked about this. It mentioned scones. Scones. This is Lily Bean by Pastry Base. Gluten-free lemon scone mix. Excellent. We have some gluten-free people in the family, so I will set this aside until we are going to their house, and it will give me something perfect to take. Lily Bean lemon scone mix. Embrace the spirit of leisure and treat yourself to these luscious lemon scones. Treat, unwind, recharge, and make the most of your staycation with a scrumptious addition to your day. Bon appetit. All we need to make this is 4 tablespoons of milk, your choice, dairy, almond, rice, whatever you want, and 4 tablespoons of cold butter, or if you're staying vegan with it, coconut oil. Next up, we have a spatula. Is this mentioned separately? I imagine we got this because we got this mask. Does it talk about it on here? It doesn't. So this is just a nice extra to apply your mask with. Those are fantastic. I will set that aside because I have them for the mask that I use. I have a pink one, but they make putting it on so much easier than getting it all up under your nails. I like it a lot. last out, except for our bonus, we have a book, and it's called This Is Me, Loving the Person You Are Today. Oh, it's by Chrissy Metz from This Is Us. Oh, that's interesting. That might be a fun read. This Is Me is more than just a book. It's a transformative journey that turns your staycation into an empowering and uplifting experience. Dive into the heartwarming stories, embrace self-discovery through reflections, and immerse yourself in a mindful practice. I am always on board for books. And last we have our bonus, and it is in the 180-degree pouch. We got one of these last time too. I think generally it's gonna be jewelry. Oh my gosh, these very much favor the earrings that I got in one of my Metology. That's gonna look fantastic with that necklace. That is fun. I love the length of these earrings. I love a big bulky earring sometimes, especially in the summer if I'm wearing like all white and I really want something that pops because my hair is kind of long. I love that. That is so fun. This was another never-ending box chocked full of fun stuff. Let's go ahead and review it because there was so much. We had our book by Chrissy Metz from This Is Us fame, if you guys watched This Is Us. We have our Lily and Bean scones that we can make, our tart cherry hibiscus drink. It will be delightful with our scones, they say. The Rachel Couture eye set, the Awapui single serving, so to speak, foot scrubs. I think that this is a fantastic idea. Definitely one of my favorites in the box. The Earth Harbor Glow Juice mask. That is a really nice mask. People love this mask. I can't use it because I am so sensitive, but I even have people in my own life that I know like it. Little spatula that you can put your mask on with. The cards for affirmation. I mean, I have more. These steamy self-warming eye masks. The Mitchell and Peach, is it hand cream or body cream? Body souffle. I just happened to put it on my hands. And then our bonus earrings. Oh my gosh, guys, where am I gonna put it? I'll put it up there. That is a full box. I wanna thank 180 Degree for sending this over. It is fun to get a self-care box. I will put the link and my code CATH15 below that will get you 15% off your first box. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope I will see you again really soon. Have a great evening, guys.